Alright guys, I got a new 4-in-1 ESC installed in this quad. The SPEDEX IS35 35 amp 4-in-1 ESC. Blew the other ESC, so I had no choice. So yeah, another wide open field to fly around on. Looking good.
Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I've been around for a long, long year. Stole many a man's soul of faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure the pilot washed his hands, sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was a time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held a generous rank, when the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you. Hope you get my name. Oh yeah. What's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah. I watch with glee while you kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the God they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? When after all, it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I lay traps for troubadours who get killed before they reach Bombay. Pleased to meet you. Hope you get my name. Oh yeah. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Oh yeah. Get down in it. Pleased to meet you. Hope you get my name. Oh yeah. But what's confusing you is just the nature of my game. Yeah. Just 'cause every cop is a criminal and all the sinners saints. His head's his tail, just call me Lucifer, 'cause I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, and some taste. Use all your well-learned qualities, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Yeah, pleased to meet you. Hope
running 4S batteries on this rip, and that first little crash I had destroyed my balance connector on my brand new 4S battery. Oh well, I'll find another connector somewhere. Alright guys, have a good one.